Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I confidently believe is the best rubber bathroom floor mat on the market, the Gorilla Grip Thick Memory Foam Bath Rug. If you're tired of uncomfortable, slippery bathroom mats that just don't cut it, stay tuned because this product might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's talk about what makes the Gorilla Grip Bath Rug stand out. First and foremost, it's all about comfort. This rug features a thick memory foam that measures 3/4 of an inch in thickness. That's right, 3/4. It contours to your body perfectly, providing a level of support that soothes achy muscles and helps you feel like you're standing on a cloud every time you step out of the shower. The top layer is made of soft, lustrous velvet. You have to feel it to believe it. Not only does it feel incredible underfoot, but it also adds a touch of luxury to your bathroom decor. Imagine starting your day stepping onto this exquisite mat. It's like a spa experience in the comfort of your own home. Now, let's discuss functionality. This bath rug is ultra-absorbent. Its plush top layer captures water and absorbs moisture effectively, keeping your floors clean and dry. No more puddles or wet spots. This mat helps maintain a hygienic bathroom environment, which is something we all appreciate. One of the standout features of the Gorilla Grip Bath Rug is its durable construction. It comes with hundreds of durable dots on the underside that ensure it stays firmly in place, preventing slips and falls. Plus, the heavy-duty stitching and plush binding mean this rug is designed for long-lasting use. You can trust that it will withstand the test of time, even with frequent washing. And speaking of washing, this bath rug is machine washable and fade resistant. Simply toss it in your washing machine and dryer as often as needed, making it incredibly easy to maintain. It measures 24 by 17 inches, and there are multiple sizes and colors available to fit your specific needs and style preferences. In conclusion, the Gorilla Grip Thick Memory Foam Bath Rug is an absolute game-changer for your bathroom. With its luxurious feel, excellent absorbency, and secure backing, it combines both style and safety. Whether you're updating your bathroom decor or looking for the perfect addition to your morning routine, this mat checks all the boxes. If you're ready to elevate your bathroom experience, check out the Gorilla Grip Bath Rug using the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews, and let us know in the comments if you've tried this rug or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.